Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the leverage right here on FXCM. And if you want to change the leverage, what you need to do right here is go to Google and search change leverage on FXCM. Then right here, they're telling you to change leverage on FXCM, you must submit a request form, as leverage is often set by default based on account equity. So right now, what we need to do is we click here on this link, and now we are sending here to a leverage increase request. Then right now they're telling us right here for accounts with equity less than 10K. Then right now we need to fill in right here our email, right here or account number, and then right here we need to select a leverage that we want to change. Then we click right here, I hereby acknowledge that I have read and consent to the statement list below and above. So we do that, and then click right here on submit. Then you need to wait, and then they will look to your account and try to change the leverage. So this is the place where you can change the leverage right here on FXCM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.